I first found out about the ICATT apprenticeship program when a representative from ICATT came in and gave a talk at my high school.
Before I heard of ICATT, I really hadn't heard of other apprenticeships. My thought was go directly to college and get a degree. And that was my biggest plan for then until I heard about the program.
With the ICATT program, the layout is that we work at the company for 8 weeks and then we go to school for 8 weeks. While we're at school, we have time taking our classes and just learning through not quite a normal associate's degree, but one more geared towards manufacturing and specifically set up for the ICATT program.
And thanks to that program too, our associates is transferable to other universities.
I initially knew I wanted to do something with machining, and I knew that I would have to pay my way through college. My family made it clear to me that I was on my own for that. And throughout the entire conversation he brought up all the benefits, whether it be free college tuition or the pathway to the future. It all just spoke to me, and it immediately just seemed like one of the best options I could find.
The CEO is really involved with our progress here in ICATT. It's really encouraging seeing that Peter went through an apprenticeship similar to mine. Gives me a lot of motivation to keep going in the apprenticeship, keep working hard, try to achieve same success.
I would say that since joining the ICATT program, my confidence in my abilities has increased drastically. I've been able to find something that really I enjoy and that I'm good at.
When I started the program, my goal for the 5 years was finish the program. And now that I'm reaching that goal, I'm trying to see what other stuff I can do. I've seen a lot of apprenticeships go from being an apprentice to being someone in the shop to being a manager or even further up in the company. So that's a really big motivation for me to keep inside the company.
And so with that, I've just been able to apply my potential and really just explore what I can do.